Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Shock your pool at night to get rid of all the gross and dangerous crud in your cloudy pool water. Shock your pool. This mega dose of chlorine, or non-chlorine shock for pools that use other sanitizers, will eliminate cloudiness caused by bacteria, organic contaminants, and algae.
Take our lead.
Will baking soda clear up a cloudy pool? The answer to this question is absolutely yes. If the cloudy pool water problem is being caused by the water in your swimming pool having a lower than recommended pH and alkalinity.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.